The Miami Circle is not a dog park. It's a national historic sacred site.
Dating back 2,000 years, the Miami Circle was uncovered in 1998 by archaeologist Bob Carr. Before colonization by European and eventually American settlers, South Florida was stewarded by a number of indigenous groups, including the Tequesta. The Miami Circle was part of a larger Tequesta complex which spanned both sides of the Miami River. Like other cultures native to South Florida, Tequesta people developed a complex society with ceremonial architecture. The Miami River was home to an abundance of wildlife, so there was simply no need for farming. Based on artifacts found at the Miami Circle, Tequesta trade networks extended as far away as Central America and modern-day Missouri. Archaeologists believe that Tequesta people, whose population was already dwindling at the time of European contact, were driven to Cuba by the Spanish. Seminole and Miccosukee people, as well as other survivors of Spanish occupation, continued to use the river for travel and trade into recent history. You can visit History Miami Museum to see artifacts from the Circle and learn more about the story of Miami.
When we, the people of Florida, saved this site, we saved it because this is a sad piece of history, but it's an American history.